To get started, you're going to need a number 6 super bulky weight yarn and an 8mm crochet hook. Begin with a slip knot and a chain of 27. Working into the back loops of your chain, you're going to start in the 3rd chain from your hook and make a double crochet, and you're going to make a double crochet in the next 16 after that first stitch. So in total you have 17 double crochets, and then after your 17 double crochets you'll do 4 half double crochets and then 4 single crochets. Then at the end of your row, you're going to turn your work, do not chain, start in that first stitch and make a single crochet, and then we're going to do slip stitches, but a little bit different than your normal slip stitch. So you're going to begin in that stitch, you put the single crochet in and pull up a loop, go into the next stitch and pull up a loop, then pull through both of your loops on your hook without yarning over. So we're going to repeat that. Go into the same stitch you just worked into, pull up a loop, then the next stitch and pull up a loop. Then pull through both of the loops on your hook. Repeat that till you have 1 stitch left and you'll make a single crochet in that last stitch. Then you're going to turn your work. Beginning in that very first stitch, working into the back loop, you're going to make a single crochet. And then you're going to insert your hook into the 2 bars of your single crochet and put a single crochet on top of that single crochet. So that counts as your first double crochet. Then you're going to make 1 double crochet in the next 16 stitches, working in the back loop only. Then after that, make 4 half double crochets and 2 single crochets, all worked into the back loop. You're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until it is big enough, or until you have 23 rows. Now that I have 23 rows, I'm going to sew my work together or slip stitch it together. So fold it in half, make sure both rows are matched up. You're going to end on a double crochet row, so you're going to chain one, and then you're just going to work into those chain stitches you left from your first row and your final row that you did, and you're just going to slip stitch this entire side together. So after I finish slip stitching it together, I'm going to pick up my hook, chain one, and work around the bottom of your hat and make a single crochet row all the way around the bottom of your hat, working very loosely so that it still stretches. After you finish there, you're going to cut your yarn and fasten off, and then for the top of your hat, you're just going to take some yarn on your tapestry needle and sew the top in a circular motion so that it all folds in on itself and it's nice and tight. And once you finish, weave in all your ends and your hat is done. You can add a cute pom-pom to the top or leave it as it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.